Bass! It's what gets you off the couch and on the dance floor. Let's talk about the Hideaway subwoofers. This is Aaron Malin with the Kicker Tech Force. We're here to talk about the HS8 and HS10 Hideaway subwoofer systems. Now, we know that bass is the passion, the emotion in music. So if your ride doesn't have great bass, your music just isn't as fun or engaging. The easy upgrade of the HS8 or HS10 Hideaway is the right ticket. First of all, you've got an HS8 with an 8-inch subwoofer, 150 watt amplifier on board. The HS10 is a 10-inch subwoofer with a 180 watt amplifier on board. These are designed to integrate with virtually any factory installed audio system, or if you've got an aftermarket upgraded head unit, these will work with that as well. We include the remote bass knob, so you can dial up as much bass as you want or dial it back for some easy listening. Because these are designed to work in virtually any car, we're talking about SUVs, pickup trucks, and sedans. Beneath the seat, behind the seat of a pickup, or in the cargo space of an SUV, these will fit almost anywhere and give you fantastic bass response. Now, why limit yourself to just one? If one fits and two fits as well, go for two. You can never have too much bass. Pro tip, easy installation, but if you don't really know what you're doing, definitely take it to a professional. Go to kicker.com to check out these and other great Kicker products.